Hey everyone. Okay, so this is my first real house to build. It's going to be 1480 square feet. There's going to be a guest room over here with a bath, and then over here is going to be the master with the bath, and then from this part here all the way to the back is going to be an open concept kitchen. Of course, this is the patio cover here, the front, and then see if we can walk over here. Okay, so over here is going to be a back patio, and then John's gonna get a pool back there. He's already planted his little trees here, and you know, that used to be Jared Crocker's house, and now it's At Home with Tom and Rhonda, and they're going to connect these two here. So this is Rhonda's son's house that he's building. So, and he asked me if I could help him with it, and he has the garage here, so I think it's gonna look great. So this will be all the kitchen area here, and then like I said, over there is going to be the master, and then from over there, that corner all the way through here is going to be an open concept living room and kitchen. So this is it. Very proud of it. So the next step is just framing. So if we can get the framing in here, that will look great. So thinking about maybe, since he already has the garage, maybe like a beige color house with dark brown trim, if that's what he wants to do, and then maybe add some cedar to it, just to give it that modern rustic look. But yeah, I think it's gonna look great. I love his trees, they're blooming really pretty blue. But it looks so much bigger now that it's all out. But yeah, y'all, this is my first house, so I'm praying every day that all of this turns out and it looks right. It probably will take him, he's doing it as he can afford it in stages, so he might not have it all completed till next year, but he got the most of it done. Okay, y'all keep watching.